Your hand-drawn sketches just became your superpower. Watch how I transform rough ideas into stunning AI art using Adobe Firefly, no artistic skills required. Start with a rough sketch pencil, digital, doesn't matter. The beauty of Firefly is it understands imperfect inputs. Upload your sketch to Firefly's image generator or use it directly in Photoshop. Your line work becomes the foundation for AI enhancement. Quality sketches produce better results, but even messy ideas work perfectly fine here. Now for the magic, your text prompt. Describe style, mood, and details Firefly should enhance. Say oil painting, vibrant colors, fantasy landscape, or minimalist, clean lines, modern design. The more specific you are, the closer you'll get. Firefly blends your sketch intent with generative intelligence beautifully. Generate multiple variations. Firefly lets you create 4 versions instantly. Tweak prompts based on what works. Adjust style, lighting, or composition until you love it. This isn't one-shot, it's exploration. Save your favorites, blend versions, and keep pushing boundaries until your final piece emerges. Download your final artwork at high resolution. Drop it back into Photoshop for final touches. Color grading, detail refinement, or blending with original sketch elements. Firefly accelerates your creative process. Your artistic eye completes it. You're not replacing creativity, you're amplifying it exponentially. Master this workflow and transform your art. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Firefly creation below.